Morning,
Morning,
sir.
sir.
Okay, good morning, Chismis Oral Resuscitation. Let's start. Stand up. Okay, my question for you is, kailan naging simula maging kabit si Ma'am Ana ng grade 12 at saka sa SPO1 Magsaysay?
July 10 po, 2023, 2 weeks po after nagsimula yung class.
Okay, very good. 98/100.
Thank you.
Okay, next question. You, stand up. Sino ang ama ng dinadala ng anak ni Aling Josephine?
Sir, according to my research based on a reliable source, yung delivery driver na po na nagdi-deliver every week doon sa bahay nila, yun po yung ama ng bata.
Okay, very good.
Sana all.
97/100. Okay, next question. You, stand up. What is the exact amount na inutang na mama ni James na tinakbo at hindi na binayaran?
Sir, 20K po,
Kulang.
25,000.
Uy, grabe naman yung mama.
87/100. Okay, next question. You, stand up. Totoo ba na may relasyon si Rachel at saka nung guard?
Sir, totoo daw po yun, sir. At actually po, yung guard po yung nagbibigay ng baon niya everyday 100 pesos everyday po daw. At saka nililibre po siya ng resource. Kailan daw ito nagsimula?
Sir, bago mag-start yung second sem.
Okay, very good. 88/100. Okay, next question. Okay, you, Mr. Carbona, stand up. Who among sa mga teachers dito sa campus ang may niligawan na estudyante at saka binuntis?
Sir, I tried my best po talaga, sir. What do you mean? Sir, hindi ko po talaga alam, sir. Sorry.
Simpleng chismis, hindi mo alam. Zero.
Sir, baka na...
Zero! Remain standing, ha. Next.